a long time since I've been to Dallas. I think I've been to an SBK ride in Dallas, and then I've been to 635 races when I had my 636. I think that's it. It's got a raspy sound to it. G-Mars is like a deep tone, and this one's like I'm sorry. I can't do anything. She's like, yeah, see, that's why you gotta let people through, man. They get pissed off, man. Oh, the smell of race fuel, dude. So nice. You gotta get more of a bounce. I didn't even see, I wasn't even ready to go yet. And then in fourth gear, I was already wiggling. Jeez, dude. Look at all that traffic. This is why people take this way. This is why they get pissed off when we're slowing them down. Whoa! Oh my gosh. They were really close to touch each other right there. Super close. Man, dude, people are fast. So fast, so fast. Hey, there's a biker over there on the regular highway. This bike is so quiet when it's not like hauling ass. Wondering all these lights, why my dashboard looks like a Christmas tree. I have ABS fuse light because the ABS fuse is out. I have a traction control light because traction control is off. And then a check engine light, which wasn't there until I did the exhaust mod with Renan, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't affect anything. It's just in case you're wondering. Dude, these semis are never gonna pass. We're gonna have to do something sketchy if we ever want to get past them. They're like, yep, this is what you did to us, so fuck you. He's still flipping them off. Steven's a trucker, so he's allowed to. They flip, they're flipping them back, I think. Yo, that guy's on a Suron. Come right with us, dude. He's going to. Watch out. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's a Suron. Throw a wheelie. Whoa, Bryson. Whoa. Oh, Jeremy. Oh, Jeremy, no. Do we know that guy? Is that guy famous or something?
It's Grummy Bear.
Huh?
It's Grummy Bear.
Brummy Bear? Who's that?
He's a YouTuber.
How many subscribers do you have?
I don't know, probably a lot.
Probably a lot. Huh? Bummy Bear? Oh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Watch him stall, that'd be funny. Oh, nope, he's got it. I don't know if he rides. You know who that is?
Yeah, G-Bear.
G-Bear?
Yeah.
Does he ride a regular motorcycle too?
He does stunts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna have to look him up.
Like 500K followers.
Damn, cuz.
Yeah.
On YouTube or Instagram?
YouTube.
Damn, cuz. We got a famous person in Dallas? Oh, Kobe. Oh, no. Oh, you can't be stalling in Dallas, dude. So it's G-Bear. I don't know if it's Gummy Bear or G-Bear. That thing is so quiet, dude.
Like, oh shit, I saw the sewer on. I was like, oh shit, that's Grummy Bear. Grummy Bear, my bad.
Grummy Bear? Oh, snap.
I don't know who's in charge, but seriously, we need these spots.
You don't know who's the boss because we all win. You feel me?
What? What does that even mean? The keys in my pocket. Whoa. Steven told me to go do some wheelies, so I guess I got to. I don't know if I could do low speed wheelies on this bike in here. And try. Oh my gosh, dude. Hell no, I'm not doing wheelies in here. Hell no. Hell no, dude. Fuck no. That's it. This is not a small lot bike. What the heck? Alright, you gotta give these some juice, some beans. Oh yeah, not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby. Yeah, dude. Oh, he's doing the, what do you call that? 50-50? This bike is actually so smooth. It just takes a lot to get up, but it's like actually super fun. I feel like I'm actually like really close to scraping it.